Hello, Brian Knowlton back with another super cool slide rule tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn what a contactor is and how it works. A contactor is a control used to supply electricity to any device. The way it operates is line voltage is supplied to either side of the contactor, at the points here or on the opposite side here. The line voltage at these locations can be any voltage you desire. Next, the load is connected to the opposite unused side at these locations. To operate the contactor, low voltage is supplied to the terminals located here and here. It is important that the low voltage we supply match the required coil voltage printed on the side of the contactor. In this particular example, the contactor has a requirement of 24 volts AC. Either low voltage wire can be connected to either terminal. Also note the amp rating of this contactor is 40. This lets us know that we should not attempt to feed more than 40 amps through this contactor. Most contactors are available with amp ratings from 25 amps to 50 amps. If you'd like to know how to test a contactor, please watch the video titled Contactors-Testing. This concludes our tutorial, but please stay tuned while I introduce you to something guaranteed to save you time. And saving you time will save you money. Thanks for watching. Hello, I'd like to take a minute to introduce you to the coolest tool in the HVAC industry. Historically, technicians have carried 4 or 5 different slide rules. You have one for R22, one for R410A, one for metal duct sizing, one for flexible duct sizing, and yet others for diagnostics or troubleshooting. Thankfully, those days are gone. This one tool will allow you to charge a system with R22 or R410A in either the superheater subcooling method. The back cover contains required formulas, it has capacitors, rules and practices, a wet bulb conversion chart, how to perform computations on series or parallel circuits, an electric heat strip guide, a complete system troubleshooting diagnostic chart, and how to troubleshoot compressors in TXV. Inside is packed with even more information. It performs sizing of both metal and flexible duct. It has the only direct reading conversion from smooth metal to insulation lined metal we've ever seen. The majority of technicians have never been taught that if the insulation is on the inside of the ductwork, you cannot size it with a regular duct calculator. It has step-by-step directions for determining airflow through a gas furnace, electric furnace, or an air conditioning unit. It has pressure drop multipliers for ductwork, as well as recommended velocities. And finally, the scanning of this QR code gives instant access to over 100 tutorials to assist the technician with every test and repair imaginable. You owe it to yourself, as well as your customers, to own this tool. It's less than $20 including shipping. The Super Cool will save you countless hours of frustration when troubleshooting units. Log on to our website and get one today, and I promise you will be a better technician tomorrow. And remember, every technician is only as good as their tools. Thanks for watching.